how to fix Minecraft not responding, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First open settings and then type here background apps, and now just go down until here. Make sure you are in background apps, and that's it. Now just turn off. You'll find like that, just turn it off. And now go back, right click on your desktop, go to NVIDIA control panel, just wait, and here click use my preference and move it to performance, and click apply, and that's it, and then close it. Now try again. If that doesn't fix it, restart your PC and try. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.